Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to set a custom password for the Notes application directly on your iPhone. This password can be different from the one that you use to log on to your iPhone. This is quick and easy to do, so first let's head over to the iPhone settings here on the home screen. Now on the iPhone's main settings, let's scroll all the way down until we get to the Notes, and let's tab into the Notes here. Now within the Notes section, you can see here, roughly in the middle, you can see passwords. So let's tab into that. As you can see here, we have a couple of different options to choose from. We can use a passcode or we can use Face ID. Currently, I'm using my device's passcode. However, you can turn on Face ID if you wish, or you can use a custom passcode. So let's select a custom passcode in this instance. This will then allow you to enter a password that no one knows. You'll need to enter the password, then verify the password, and then give a hint if you ever forget what the password is, to help you remember it. Once you've completed that, you simply click Done at the top right hand corner here, and you will have successfully set a new password for the Notes application. I hope that video helped you out. If it did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.